Hello, beautiful and lovely people. Today I am going to talk about motivation and drive. Ooh, what a tough topic. And I just realized I'm going to give you guys a lecture about something philosophical. What an irony. Well, before I tell you, you should always choose drive over the motivation, and one is emotional and other is not. Well, let me tell you a secret. Do you know if you destroy that YouTube like button, odds are my video getting referred to your friends are higher? What? What? Yes. So, why don't you just like that button, and if you are in a mood, also subscribe. One other thing I want to tell you is, did you guys notice I'm wearing the same t-shirt as yesterday? You didn't notice? Well, did you watch the yesterday's video? If you not, go watch that video. Let's dive into today's video. Today I'm going to talk about motivation and drive. What is motivation? You see, guys, one day you're going to wake up with this fresh energy, you're going to feel amazing. You might have done squats yesterday, you feel healthy today, and you think today you're going to conquer everything. Yes, you are emotionally good today. Yes, you are motivated enough, and you think the app that you have been thinking about building over the past year, today is the right time to build it. Yes, and emotion is a tricky thing, guys. Emotion comes and goes. It's a dip. Sometimes you have good emotions, you feel strong, so you will be motivated enough to do right things on that day. But most of the times, we feel shit. Yes, we are not in the right frame of mind. We are not feeling good, and us as a human who are emotional animal, most of the times we don't feel good. Yes, so if you are trying to do things around your emotions and your motivations, there is going to be a point where you're going to start so many things because you feel motivated, but you wouldn't be able to sustain that long enough because motivation comes and goes in waves. So what do I do? I generally don't do because of I'm motivated. Yes, I found out this recently. I found out this amazing guy, he's in his college and he's trying to study 12 hours every day. And he's in a college, he's trying to do masters in computer science, and he's trying to put 12 hours effort every day. And he gave me these lessons that you should always choose your passion, your drive over the motivation. Now, what is drive? Well, textbook definition of drive is a planned effort to achieve something. Do you see what's the drive? Yes, you put small enough of efforts every day. It doesn't matter you are in a good mood or you are not in a good mood, you always have to put efforts. Yes, and this effort will cumulatively compound over the long period of time, and you are going to be able to achieve your dreams. Yes, so why don't I give you one example? How was I driven and what happened? So, yesterday I was trying to shoot a video and I realized I have little long beard. So I walk into my bathroom, yes, and I start shaving. And what happens? I have an electric charger and battery just runs out. So now this side of my cheek is little bit shaved and this one is not. And I thought, oh man, what disaster. What I'm going to do? Should I cancel my today's video? No. Yes, I didn't do that because a small little thing just give me a dent on my emotion and it might have ruined my day. But I was driven. Yes, I have make myself a goal that every day doesn't matter I'm in a good mood, I'm not in a good mood. If I find a time in a day, I'm going to shoot my video for my YouTube channel. I'm going to create a content. I'm going to create a value out there for my fellow compatriots. Yes, so that's what I did. If I was not driven, this little setback would have ruined my day and I would not be able to create a content for my YouTube channel. Yes, so this is an example of whether you were driven or whether you were motivated. Yes, so I just want to tell you guys this. If you try to choose motivation over the drive, you are going to start so many projects and you are going to abandon them because next day you might not be in the right frame set, something is going to happen, you might have a lot of work to do, and you just have little bit of time in your day to work on your personal or side gigs. Yes, And if you had some bad thing happen in your work, yes, it's going to probably affect your mood, and your motivation is not going to be driving factor of creating this passionate project you have been thinking about. Yes, so try to choose a drive over motivation every day. And I think this is the lesson I have learned over the long period of time. It's not the thing which I just realized today. I have gone through so many different failures, and I have analyzed that in the past, whenever I wanted to create apps, I have gone through this process so many times. When I have good emotions, I am motivated, I start projects, I start my software projects, I start working on an app, I sit in front of my computer and I do some coding. Yes, I'm feeling good, I want to do something today. I've been feeling crap for so long that I am not working on something, I haven't built anything, I'm not trying to utilize my skills. So I feel motivated someday, so I wake up, I start coding. But do you know what happens next day? That motivation is gone, I am now different emotional animal next day, and I'm not able to pick up the stuff which I left yesterday. So, and then what happens? The project gets abandoned. My passionate project which I have been talking about, it might be reading a book, it might be just writing a small blog post on your blog. You will feel crap on that day that you will abandon it. But I choose to be driven now. Why? Because I believe that my planned effort of doing small things every day, it will accumulate. Yes, if I try to choose to work every day on my craft, on my personal project, on my educational efforts, I just do a little bit of stuff every day, then if I'm doing just 1 hour every day, in 30 days I have 30 hours. I would be able to achieve so many things. So this is my message to you guys today. When you want to do something, yes, try to be driven. Yes, identify that motivation and drive is totally different things. It's absolutely fine that you are motivated one day and you start something, but in order to complete something you want to be driven. Yes, if any one of you telling you that he is actually not want to earn money, yes, he might be lying to you. Yes, there are very few people who wants to do things and in a reward don't want to earn money or fame. So just keep in this mind. Yes, and this was today's video, guys. I just wanted to let you know that how do I choose motivation over drive. And since I'm wrapping the video and any of you didn't notice that I'm wearing the same t-shirt, go watch yesterday's video. Also, I want you guys to destroy the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Also, give me a comment, did you notice my t-shirt or not? Yes, and with this message, I'll see you tomorrow with brand new video, with brand new day. Bye bye.